So till now we have discussed what is the functionality of a register, how we can implement a register using the D flip-flop. Then we have discussed various types. Then we have discussed shift register, the general functionality of a shift register, and different types of shift registers. Now we are going to discuss about the use of the registers. Uh, Use of the shift registers. So first use you can say is serial interconnection of systems. So suppose if we want to connect two systems serially, that means the data should be communicated bit by bit. We can use the shift registers, right? Let me draw the architecture, and probably you will get how the serial communication can be done in between two systems using the shift registers, right? And that is very simple idea. We are going to use two registers, at one of them at the one end and another one at another end. So at this end, suppose we are using a parallel in serial out register. So input will be fed at parallelly here, and the output will be serial, right? So this would be your serial output. There would be a clock signal here, and there would be control signal as we had discussed, right? In this case the control signal would be of 2 bit. So you can analyze, this would be your n minus 1 bit, n minus 2 bit, and 0th bit. Fine. So let me denote that this is in a system A, and we want to communicate between system A and system B. So in that case, this output will be fed serially to the system B in this manner, right? Now what we will say, we will consider this as an input to a register which is serial in parallel out, right? This is your parallel in serial out register. This is your parallel in serial out, while this would be your serial in parallel out. Fine. So what will happen here, there would be again we will use the same size register here, and here now we can extract parallel out. Fine. Of course there would be a clock signal, and there would be a control signal. Fine. So that's how you can connect two systems serially using the shift registers. I think it is easy to understand how we are connecting two systems in this manner. So this can be one use of the shift registers. Let us discuss another application of the shift register, that is bit serial operation. What that mean? Suppose we have two datas of n bit, and we have to perform certain operation on those two data. But the operator, suppose we want to perform the addition between two numbers of n bit, and we only have one adder of 1 bit. Fine, we only have 1 bit full adder, and we want to perform n bit full addition, right? So either we can use those approaches we have discussed, carry ripple adder or carry look ahead generator addition. That means using n full adders, right? Or in another manner, we can use these shift registers to perform any operation bit serially, right? That's what the meaning bit serially here. That means we will perform an operation bit by bit on n bit data. So I am going to consider the operation here is as addition, and we'll look how we can perform bit serial operation here, or you can say bit addition operation here, bit serial addition. So suppose we have these two data with us. We are going to store them in two parallel in serial out register, right? So I'm assuming that one data is x, so we have represented x minus 2 to x0, and another data we are going to store into another register, and we are denoting it with the y. So yn minus 1, yn minus 2, and y 0. Fine. So that's how we can represent internal state of these registers. And both of these will be serial in, parallel out. There would be only one output each of them. There would be a clock signal, so let me represent here. Here it is clock. Okay, sorry, CLK. What happened? Okay, so here it. Okay, some issue is in the erasing function. Let me write down clock function here, and then that's fine. It will be now what we want to do, we want to perform the addition. So write down plus. Fine. What do we guys put? Okay. Now there, if this is a full adder, in that case there would be what happened here? There is a spit issue. Let please.